Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will talk about class 9th mathematics, page number 82, question number 6 of exercise 4.1. We have to simplify some questions. The first part is x square minus 49 multiplied by 5x plus 2 5x plus 2 divided by x plus 7. You know that this is going to be a formula. The formula like a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So you can write simply as x square minus 7 square multiplied by 5x plus 2 5x plus 2 divided by x plus 7. You already know that x square minus 7 square, we can write it as x plus 7 into x minus 7 as a square minus b square, which is equal to a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So as it is, you can write it as x plus 7 into x minus 7. So we will move on. X plus 7 into x minus 7 into 5x plus 2 divided by x plus 7. So x plus 7 will cancel with x plus 7. So this part is the answer. The answer will be x minus 7 into 5x plus 2. That's it. Move toward part 2. The part 2 of exercise 4.1 is 4x minus 12 and in denominator it is x square minus 9. This is divide sign and it is 18 minus 2x square, and in denominator x square plus 6x plus 9. Now see that which thing is common from numerator. Yes, 4 is common here. You can take common 4 and it becomes x minus 3, and x square minus 9 square, you can write it as x square minus 3 square. Divide sign, and you can take 2 common from here and it becomes 9 minus x square after taking 2 common. And you already know that in previous lectures, in question number 5 of exercise 4.1, x square plus 6x plus 9, basically it is x plus 3 whole square. So now 4 into x minus 3, you can open this formula x square minus 3 square as x plus 3 into x minus 3, and divide sign, you already know that divide sign we can replace it with if multiply sign, then after that this fraction will become revert inverse, and x plus 3 whole square, it will go towards numerator, and 2 into 9 minus x square, you can also write it as 3 square minus x square. I am writing 9 instead of 3 square minus an x square. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, x minus 3 is going to cancel with x minus 3, this x plus 3 is going to cancel with the 1 this x plus 3, but x plus 3 raised power 1 it will retain. And now in numerator you can see that 2 into x plus 3, and in denominator you can see that this is 3 square minus x square. You can write it as 3 plus x into 3 minus x. Now x plus 3 or 3 plus x, this is symmetric thing, so you can cancel it, it is same. So your answer will be 2 divided by 3 minus x. I hope you understand these things. Now we will move toward its part 3. Part 3, and in part 3 you can see that this is x raised power 6 minus y raised power 6, and in denominator x square minus y square, and the divide sign x raised power 4 plus x square plus x raised power 4 plus x square y square plus y raised power 4. I again suggest you to learn all these formulas which I have already told you that are already on the page number 292. Already all formulas are there. Formulas on page number 292. Learn all these formulas if you want to correctly do all these questions. These are on page number 292. These formulas. So some formulas I have already told you in previous videos, but for here you know that x cube minus y cube, it is equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Learn these formulas. Now see, this is x raised power 6 minus y raised power 6. This is not a directly formula, but we can make it formula in cubic form. Like we will write x raised power 6, instead of x raised power 6 we will write x square cube minus y square cube. It become 2 3s are 6 minus 2 3s are 6. Now beneath this power 3, this is suppose a minus, and beneath this power 3 this is b, so it is a cube minus b cube type. And in denominator x square minus y square is already there, and divide sign this is. We will write multiply sign, and now I am going to revert this thing as this is the rule, and x raised power 4 plus x square y square plus y raised power 4, it will go towards denominator. So x raised power 4 plus x square y square plus y raised power 4. Now open this formula. This is of the type a cube minus b cube. I am again writing this formula a cube minus b cube, which is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This is of this type. You can see that instead of x square, in the general form this is a minus b cube, and the value of b is y square. So I am going to open it. It will become a minus b. So value of a here is x square. So I am going to write a minus b, x square, this is a minus b, the value of b is y square, and after that in formula you already know that a square plus ab. A square mean x square square plus ab mean that x square, this is a, and value of b is y square, and after that plus b square y square square, and in denominator x square minus y square is already here, and after that this multiply sign and 1 over multiply 1 divided by x raised power 4 plus x square y square plus y raised power 4. This x square minus y square and this x square minus y square is cancelled. Now it is become x raised power 4 plus x square y square plus y raised power 4, and after that multiply sign and this thing 1 over x raised power 4 plus x square y square plus y raised power 4. And now you can cancel both these values and your answer will be 1. This is your answer, and that's it. I hope you understand this. Now we will move toward part number 4 of question number 6. Part number 4, that is x square minus 1. You can write it as, again formulas are going to begin. I am going to write this x square minus 1 square and x square plus 2x plus 1. It is basically the formula of x plus 1 whole square. You can see that x plus 1 whole square, this thing, open it in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab, because this is a plus b whole square. So x square plus 1 square plus 2x into 1. So x plus 1 whole square is equal to x square plus 1 square or plus 2x, and this is 1 square, this is 1. I am replacing 2x here and 1 square here. See, x square plus 2x plus 1, it is x plus 1 whole square. So I am going to write this x plus 1 whole square at this place. Instead of x square plus 2x plus 1, I am going to write x plus 1 whole square. So note it now. I am going to write x plus 1 whole square. After that, this dot sign is basically the multiply sign. X plus 5, and in denominator this is 1 minus x. This will make a conflict, so you have to remove it by taking minus sign common. You know that if we take minus sign common, then both signs of expression are changed. Taking minus sign common from here, so this minus x will become positive x and this positive 1 will become negative 1. Now open this formula, x square minus 1 square. It will become x plus 1 into x minus 1, and in denominator x plus 1 whole square dot x plus 5, and in denominator x minus 1 with minus sign. Now see that x minus 1 is cancelled with this x minus 1. This x plus 1 is cancelled with 1, this x plus 1. You see that x plus 1 is here. This minus sign is also here. So your answer will be x plus 5, x plus 1, and this minus sign also. And that's it. Now we will move towards fifth part. Part 5 and the last part of exercise 4.1, question number 6, the last part. You have to solve it. First of all, you will take x common from this x square plus x, taking x common from it, and see what happens. 1x is outside here and 1x plus x is outside here and y will be here. And for denominator y into x plus y, nothing is going to be happen as it is. You can write it x plus y. This is multiply sign, and again taking common in this fraction, in this numerator, taking x common, and x plus y will be here because x is common here, and you have to write again x plus y. And after taking this divide sign is going to be multiply, and it will revert xy minus 2y, and in denominator x square minus x. Now x plus y is cancelled with this x plus y, this x plus y is cancelled with this x plus y. What is going to be happen? X is multiplied with this x. and it becomes x square, and in denominator y with this y, this become y square, and taking common y from it, multiply y, what is going to be happen? This is x minus 2, and take x common from here, it becomes, after taking x common from it, it become x, and this become minus 1. Now x is cancelled with 1x and y is cancelled with this 1y. So in numerator it becomes x into x minus 2, and in denominator y into x minus 1. So this is your answer. This was question number 6 complete. I hope you like it and you don't have any problem in it. Thank you.